Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an image clickable on Squarespace in just a few simple steps. Click on the image block you want to make clickable, and a formatting toolbar appears above it with several editing options, including alignment, caption, and link controls. Click the link icon in the toolbar to open the link settings dialog, which gives you options to link to a page on your site, an external URL, or an uploaded file. Select URL from the menu, type the web address you want the image to link to. For this example, I'm using youtube.com, and click outside the dialog to apply it. Your image is now clickable and will open that URL when visitors click it. If you want to change or remove the link later, just click the image again and select the link icon to edit or delete the URL. The link opens in the same browser tab by default, but you can set it to open in a new tab by clicking the link icon again and enabling the Open in New tab option in the settings. You can add clickable links to any image block on your site, which is useful for creating image-based navigation, linking to external resources, or driving traffic to specific landing pages. And that's how to make an image clickable on Squarespace. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.